Hi guys, and this is me, Dylan Fetter, and I'm going to be showing you my monster truck collection. We have to go fast though. Crustacean, Crusher, Maniac,
Not so close.
a truck, does this, Backdraft,
You're holding them too close.
Backdraft,
There you go.
Hot Wheel, Dragon's Breath, Raging Steel, Lucas Oil, Old King Crunch, Cuts and Corners, Mohawk Warrior, Snow, Derail, Tough Enough, Old School's Gravedigger, my favorite, Bone Shaker, Nitro Circus, Outlaw,
DC Godzilla and Monster Truck Collection.
Gravedigger, Old One, War Wizard,
Hey guys, and this is me, Braden Feather, right here.
and this is Riveted.
Lori.
You can see your brother's doing his monster trucks, right?
And here's just a monster truck that has one on it. Brutus. And Max Steve. Altor Loco. Hulk truck, both sides. Spider-Man. I got four Spider-Mans. Instigator, what's named after me and my brother. Full Bull. Arachnophobia. Spider on top. Superman. It's K-Fall. Captain America. This X-Men dude. Now here are the same two Spider-Mans. Here's this one I've been playing with for a long time. An old one. And here's the one my pappy got me, which is clean and new. Green Avenger. Backwards Bob, which is always backwards. Tropical Thunder.
Tropical.
Spider-Man. Raising Cane. Yu-Gi-Oh. Just a truck. Blue Avenger. Brutus, another one. Captain's Curse. Malador. Spectrofame's Malador. Rap Attack. Grinder. I can pop it off. Shark Week. Old Team Hot Wheels. 30th Anniversary Gravedigger. Jester Truck. Avenger. Timefly. World Finals. Samson. Truck that has no body. Fighting one from Lightning McQueen.
Cars Tunes.
Yeah, Cars Tunes. Road Devil. Small truck. Bounces. Metal Law. Taz. Survivor. Virginian Giant. Team Hot Wheels. Prowler. Northern Nightmare. And here we go with the bigger trucks. Prowler. Backwards Bob. Blue Avenger. My Brother's Blue Thunder. Wolverine. Red Max Steve. That's what everybody calls him. Four-time champion Gravedigger. Avenger. Small one. Just a normal truck, a big one. Jurassic Attack. Huge. Captain's Curse, I got a yard sale. Flea market. Huge. I'll show you these three together. Bulldozer. Destroyer. Predator. And that's mine. And this